I've been having a speech problem all week. I can't talk. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I will be doing another BOXYCHARM unboxing. It is my second box that I've gotten in. I did my unboxing for my January box, which is my very first BOXYCHARM box. And so if you want to see that, I'll put the link up here in the little card thing or in the description so you can see my first BOXYCHARM unboxing video. But in this one, I will be unboxing the February box. Now, I'm not gonna lie, for February, I had no willpower at all to stay away from the spoilers. BOXYCHARM, lovely BOXYCHARM, likes to email out emails with spoilers on what's coming in the box, as well as put it up on their Twitter and their Facebook and their Instagram. And so it is hard to stay away from seeing all the spoilers that come in. And by that point, I was already so far deep in the dark hole of spoilers, but I'm still super excited to kind of dig in here and get into the items that are in here. I don't know how I lasted so long through February not opening this box knowing what was in here. I'm going to be unboxing this today. So if you want to see what came in February's box, which you probably have already seen it, but if you want to see my box, keep watching and you're going to see exactly the items that came in here. Yeah! So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So I know that this one was called the Afterglow box. So it's the card that we see here, Afterglow. And then it has the items listed in the back. Everything in here is supposed to make you glow. So the first things I see when I open it up is it has this foam to protect what's in it, and then I see these two products on top, which I already know I was going to get this one. This is one of the products that I know because in the email it showed me, and I am actually super excited. So the first thing in here that I'm going to show you is the no problem primer. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. So there it is there. I don't know if you can see that. I want to make sure it's in focus. There we go. And this bottle is really nice. It's like a frosted bottle, but it is super slippery. Like I feel it's gonna just slip out of my hand, and my hands aren't like super dry. I have lotion on them. Maybe that's why, but yeah, it is a really nice, it's a glass bottle, so it's really nice, but it is kind of slippery. And then it has a top like this, and it pumps out. I don't know if it smells like anything. It smells like lotion, moisturizer for the face, but it is no problem primer. So I was actually really excited to see this. The primer I currently use is a Maybelline primer. It is the Maybelline baby one. It's blurring the pores. So, and I normally just put it on this area to blur my pores. So I'm actually excited to try this for it to be a smooth and pore covering primer. We'll see how this works. So this is by Touch in Soul. The next thing here, which is the other thing that was on top of this spongy part. Ooh, awesome. Okay, is the Pharmacy Clean Bee why can't I talk today? I can't talk. I wasn't able to talk yesterday either. Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I guess the brand is Pharmacy. There it is. And my face is very sensitive, so I use like fragrance-free stuff to wash my face. Kind of gonna be very careful on using it. I wanted to smell it, but it's got this thing. It smells really good. So I don't know if this is going to be something I'm going to be able to use on my face. If I can't, I'll probably end up getting it to my mom. It does say here it's an ultra gentle facial cleansing gel that washes away surface oil, impurities, pollution, residue, and makeup while nourishing skin with honey and hyaluronic acid. So this has honey, so I guess that's why it's clean bee. See the cute little bee. So now I'm getting into the spongy part. Ooh, I'm excited for this. So this one I knew was... Okay, I'm freaking out because of how the packaging feels when I pulled it out. But I was excited to get this one because I use L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And so it's supposed to be like the dupe for this one. And I am so excited to actually be getting this one. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. There it is here. And the packaging is so beautiful. And I freaked out because it's like, I thought it was gonna be like plastic, like the way the Lash Paradise is. It's that like pink with the plastic. And this feels like it's like metal. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's metal. But this is such beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love this little like rose gold pinky color. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then so I'm super excited to try this one. So this is what the wand or the stick looks like. That is like that. So it's one of those, it's like fat, thin, fat. I feel dangerous with it. But there you go. The next thing in here is a Prime in Color Lip Glaze by Tracetique. If I'm saying that right, Tracetique. And I'm sorry, my light has a glare. And you see here it says primer inside. I don't know if you can see primer inside. This is cute. I think this is plastic, but this I think is metal. This is kind of, oh, that's weird. Watch. Oh, okay. It's like got a magnet between the lid and the bottom part. I want to show you. There you go. It has like a magnet in between. It's kind of blurry, but look. That's awesome. But I think this is cute the way the packaging looks on the outside. I thought this was something that you use, but it's just the packaging of it to make it look like chipstick. So you open it. I had to be careful because I was scared I was going to squish it. And there is the lipstick there. It is in the color English Rose. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. That is a pretty color. It's like this, yeah, like this deep pink, deep rose color. It is pretty. Let's look at that cool action again. Oh, okay. So this popped out of here, and this little thing down here, I'm guessing is primer. So I guess you use this on your lips to prime your lip, and then you use the other side, and the primer is exactly, I guess what it is, just primer. It's clear. I put it on right here. I'm actually really excited to try this and see how it works with the primer. I don't think I've ever used a primer for my lips. So far, this box has been awesome. I'll say that a million times in this video probably. So now I'm getting to the last thing in the box. It is the Pretty Vulgar. Oh my god, this packaging is beautiful. Can you see that? Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. So I guess, let me see, I guess it's called Shimmering Swan and the color is Glow Up, or it is Glow Up Highlighter and the color is Shimmering Swan. I guess we'll find out on the paper. This is from Pretty Vulgar. I have seen other people use Pretty Vulgar and they really like it. The design on this is so cute. It is plastic, but it is still so pretty, and you can see all my ugly fingerprints on it already. So there's the highlight. I don't know if you can tell with my lighting. There, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch it, look at, but the highlight is there, and I'll go ahead and swatch it here. I want to make sure I don't get it on the lipstick primer over here. Ooh, that's pretty. Go a little more. You can see that kind of highlight. That is pretty. It's like a golden, light golden. You see the golden reflection there. Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm sorry I keep saying that, but it will. That golden shift there. I have no makeup on, but we're just gonna throw this on here. So that's everything that came in the box for February. Now I am gonna tell you, in March I've been very good and I have not seen anything that is in the box. I have seen no spoilers whatsoever. I don't even know what the name of this box is gonna be. For this month will be a complete surprise. So let's go ahead and go over the items, official information, and the pricing on the back of this card. First thing that's listed on here is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, which is this beautiful one here. And this retails for $24. So it says, indulge in mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls. Voluptuous perfection. Acacia Sengal Tree Extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. The next thing on the list is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. So that's the name of the highlighter, Shimmering Swan. Retails for $32. Wow, that's already, the mascara itself was already the box. That already paid for the box. Now you get this, which is $32. And this says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique, velvety, smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigment, the highlight will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. So that makes sense. It's the Afterglow box, so everything in here should make everything look glowing good. The next thing on the list is the Touch in Soul No Problem primer, and this retails for $18. It says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul Why can I not say this word? No Problem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. The next thing on the list is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and this retails for $22. This is 100 milliliters, in case you wanted to know like how much is in that bottle. 100 milliliters. So this one does say it soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. Yay! That made me so happy just reading that, because I know my skin is super sensitive, at least to the fragrance and some other things. At least I know I can use this because it's a sensitive skin. So it says it is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. The last thing on the list is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, which is this cool thing with the magnetic Papadili in there. This retails for $25. This says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side, which is a little one that we saw down here, and a shiny color glaze on the other side. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. So let's see what the box retailed to. The $24 for the Too Faced. The Pretty Vulgar highlighter was $32. Primer was $18. Pharmacy facial cleanser was $22. And the Trestique crayon was $25. So this box retailed to $121. That is more than what my January box retailed to. So I'm really excited to see what March is going to retail out to. I paid $21 for $121 worth of stuff. That was everything that came in my BOXYCHARM box, and I am really super pleased with everything that came in there. I will be trying out the products from this box as well as the products from January's box. I will be combining both, so my next video will be a try-on of the products in here and the products from the first box. I can't get over the packaging on this. I may be like exaggerating the package here, or maybe like, okay, get over it, like it's not that exciting, but it is. It's awesome. Like I really just want to carry this with me all day and just walk around with it and be like this and be like this. No. Okay, that's a little crazy, but yeah, I really do love this packaging. That is it. That was my February box for BOXYCHARM. If you are interested in subscribing to the box yourself, like I said earlier, I will put the link in the description box where you can sign up yourself and get yourself an awesome subscription. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would be so appreciative. And also click the little bell thingy so that you know when I do post up new videos. Don't have a set date, so just click that notification button so you know when I do upload my videos. But thank you again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I'll see you later. Bye.